We are Oldcastle Precast, the #1 concrete precaster in the United States. We make a wide variety of products at our plants across the country. Everything from catch basins to T-beds and everything in between. The core of our business is vaults for utilities. At Oldcastle, our employees' safety is the top priority. Due to the nature of our business, we have to use heavy machinery to handle the weight of our products. For example, a typical 12-inch riser ring weighs over 500 pounds. Oldcastle takes pride in the quality of our product. We use steel forms to help assure this quality and appearance. The laws of gravity dictate that we have to pour our base sections upside down. The purpose of this video is to show you how to roll bases safely and properly when using a spreader bar and trunnions. Let's take a few moments to see how we get to the finished product to roll. After prepping the form walls and placing the cage, we button up the jackets in preparation for pouring. Overhead cranes are used to carry a bucket filled with concrete into place for pouring the form. We fill the forms and vibrate them to help consolidate the concrete and improve the overall appearance of the finished product. We trowel the exposed surface to give it a smooth, level surface. We want the concrete to achieve its required stripping strength of 1,500 psi by the following morning. To accomplish this, we add accelerators to our mix to decrease the set time and increase the rate of strength gain. After the concrete has achieved the required strength, the product is ready to be stripped. Before the product can be yarded, it may have to be turned. The base sections can be turned a number of ways, but this video will focus on turning products using trunnions. A trunnion is a cylindrical attachment that is generally mounted to the form walls, but trunnions can be designed to mount directly to the finished product. There are specific procedures, steps you must follow to safely turn the product. The very first thing you must know is the standard characteristics of the product you're going to roll, including how much does it weigh. We turn products that weigh from as little as 100 pounds to products that weigh up to 60,000 pounds. Next, examine the product for any special modifications. Are there any changes from the standard products that would affect its center of gravity? Look for open bottoms, a large blockout, or pan and waffle blockouts that have been added or removed during the previous pour. If so, the trunnions have to be adjusted so the product can be turned slowly and smoothly. If the trunnions are out of adjustment, the form will either not turn or worse, will turn too fast. Use the correct spreader bar and trunnion arms. Make sure the spreader bar is labeled for lifting capacity and that it can handle the product you're going to turn. This spreader bar has many holes for attaching the trunnion arms in different positions to handle different sized products. The trunnion arms have to be repositioned to attain the correct lifting angle for the different sized products. The trunnion arm should be at a 90-degree angle with the spreader bar. Make sure they are securely attached and balanced from end to end. The trunnions, spreader bar, and trunnion arms must be visually inspected and checked for cracks and excessive wear prior to each day's use. Magnetic particle testing is done annually. Damaged or excessively worn pieces must be taken out of service immediately and reported to your supervisor. Now you're ready to attach the trunnion arms to the trunnions. Make sure the arms are secured to the trunnions. Don't guess at it, check it. Where required, attach lift plates to secure the trunnion arms to the trunnions. When everything is secure, signal the crane operator to begin the lift. Make your signals positive and clear. Prior to rolling the product, the crane operator is to sound the horn. At the same time, the hookman makes sure employees not involved in the turn aren't wandering into the area. If the area is not clear, stop the operation immediately. Resume only when the area is clear of workers or obstructions and it is safe to resume. It is not enough just to be clear of the turning radius. If there was a failure at this point, pieces of steel and or concrete could fly in any direction. Serious injury or even death could be the result.